But he came for the program yesterday, which was Sunday. Sorry, which was Saturday for the program at EKONDO TITI, Cameroon. So, so all glory to God. Alright, let's welcome our mommy. Our mom is coming up next. Okay, this is our mommy. She's here with a lovely smile. She's smiling. Okay, mommy. Very soon you will be getting the questions, and to be coming from our sister Hannah. So let's move to the question.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Evangelist Helen Aibatarela Desai.
Jesus.
Okay. Do you stay here, or you came because of the program, or you came for something else?
I always visit here occasionally. But actually, this time I came because of the program.
Okay. Welcome. Thank you. So, what was your experience during the program? How did you see the program? Do you enjoy it?
I have numerous experience concerning the program.